Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to make animations with gradient. This is going to be the tutorial for you to make the gradients, but it's not going to be like we're gonna make it on your own. This is going to be like we're going to use some plugins that you can get your gradient image from that. But in the next videos, if you like it, we're gonna make our own design from the scratch. And without further ado, let's get started. First, we're gonna open our Figma. As you can see here, we don't have anything. Actually, I have a lot of things, but let's press the F key on the keyboard to make our frame. While we are making our frame, we have to zoom it to see the clearly. After that, you can make round corners and make it a little bit roundish to have a really good shape of a phone. And then try to make, let's see, another frame within a frame, but this is not going to be our phone frame. It's going to be frame for our greeting image. And they try to make it back to the phone. After that, we're gonna search for the plugin that is named Unsplash. I'm going to use this plugin for my gradient picture. Here I'm writing gradient here to find out the one that I like. And we can choose whatever we want. Let's see, here. Here I'm going to choose it. Try to make it back to the frame, not on the phone. After that, try to have it on your phone. And then you can use it like rounding the corners. Not rounding, but just let's say turning it on. And you can find your best view on this gradient image. And I'm writing here, I wanted to have a hello, but now I want to have a welcome. And I want to make it look good, but it's up to you. If you don't want it, you don't have to make it. I'm just playing with this to make it look good, and that's up to you. Well, after that, I'm going to, well, let's see what I'm gonna do. Yeah, as I said, but as you can see, it's also turning. To to not happen, to make it not happen, I'm going to make the frame out, like back, and then my text in front. Okay, so after that, we can have a double. We're using Control D for a duplicate, phone images. I want just four. The frame was duplicated, and then I'm using my other frame, which I duplicated, to turn the another side to make it, look, how to say it. I don't remember the name. Wavy? Or let's make it a little bit, yes, yes, yes. Gradient. Gradient that is going to be turned right, left, down, up. I didn't find the word, what to do. I don't know. Yes, I chose it like this when I'm using the, you know, prototyping. I'm gonna use it for my, prototyping to connect the frames. As you can see, when I'm going to prototyping, the frames are going to be visible. In order to not have this, we can use Control Shift L to lock the frame. After this, we can find the prototyping and we can use the, after delay, and also we can choose our timing, and also we can find how to make it. Do we want it in and out, or in and out and back? We can find it out, but the first thing that you have to do is after delay. After delay is the most important thing that you are going to do it in this animations to have a really good, how to say, movie. Yes, I found the word movie, gradient work on the animation. Well, as you can see, I am making my last one stuck and connected to my first one. Here, I'm trying to find the prototype to connect, and I'm making the same thing. It's just strange that whenever you do, it's not making the same thing. Unfortunately, you have to use this after delay all the time to make it sure that it's going really good. I'm gonna make it test out after I did. For testing out, I can use Control Alt Enter to present. Let's see what's gonna happen. Remember, Control Alt Enter. See, it's happening like this, and it's a little bit, robotic. To have it a little bit smoothie and gentle, I'm gonna use my, idea of what to do. This is going to be the changing the time within this, prototyping and connection noodles. Wireframe? No, not wireframe. I'm sorry. Spaghettis? Yes. And we are using the best version for having the movie and slowly and gentle move on the screen in animation. And I'm gonna try it out after that what's going to happen with my animation. Let's see if you remember what to do. It was Control Alt Enter to have the presentation of my work. And if you are going to see that at the end, it's having movie and a little gentle and smoothly, that means that we worked it really, really well. Let's see. You have to a little bit touch it in order to make it work sometimes. Sometimes not working whenever you were trying to work it out. Yes, it's working. It's working really well. It's working really gentle right now with it. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of myself for doing it. In the next video, we're going to learn how to make it from scratch. I hope you liked it. See you soon.